Hello! We're going to do a phonics lesson today. So in Adminum, you can skip the phonics section of your ELA lesson for today. I still want you to do the interactive activity part, but as far as the lesson itself, you can skip that for today because we're going to cover it here in this video. So we're going to talk about 3 sounds. We're going to talk about the letter M. There's the uppercase and lowercase m, and M says I want you to be very careful when you use this sound or when you say this letter sound, because this does not say m. Because if you said m, you're adding a vowel to the end of that letter, and there's no vowel there, it's just an M. So when you're sounding out and stretching out words and you get to an M, that letter says And then this letter S makes the sound S just by itself, S, like a snake. And then this letter T makes the sound T. So those are the 3 sounds we're going to talk about today. S, and T, M-S-T. Now we're going to talk about how these sounds can come at the beginning or the ending of words. They can come in both places. So for example, move my camera out of the way. Let's change that. There we go. So over here, I'm gonna, I'm pointing like you can see me. You can see on your screen. So over here, I'm going to type words that have those sounds at the beginning. So we're going to start with M. We're going to start with So I'm going to type this word, M-A-P. Now the beginning sound is ah, p. Beginning sound middle sound ah, ending sound p, map. This is the word map, and you hear that at the beginning of that word. Here's another word that has the M, the sound at the beginning. Mug. So map and mug, those come at the beginning, the very first sound in those words. But the letter M, the sound, can also come at the end of words, like this word. This has b, am, bam. You hear the at the end, bam. And then we have this word, gum. So over here we have map and mug for the beginning sound, and then over here we have bam, gum, and is the ending. So let's read those 4 words together. We're going to read the 2 beginning sounds and then the 2 ending. We're going to read the words. Here we go. Map, mug, bam, gum. And sometimes you have a word that has both. It has an at the beginning and at the end, like this word, mom. Mom has an M at the beginning and at the end. All right, so those are some words with at the beginning and at the end. Let's do the S sound. Let's do S next. So here's some words with S at the beginning. Sit. Here the very first sound is S, sit. And this word. Sell. Sit, sell has that first S. Well, that sound can come at the end of words too, like this word. Pass, like a hall pass, or you pass a class. Pass a class, that rhymes. And then this word, us. So S can come at the beginning, sit and sell, or it can come at the end, pass, bus. So we're going to read those words together. The words with the S at the beginning and the words with the S at the end. Sit, sell, pass, bus. Sometimes that can come at the beginning and at the end, like sass. Sass. Okay. What was that last sound? We did we did s. What was the other one? It was t. It was a T. T. Like this word. Top. Top. T, t, as at the beginning. Top. Or tub. Tub. T, t, it's at the beginning. It can also come at the end. I can reverse that. Top. And just put those letters in backwards order, and now I get pot. And now the T is at the end. Pot. Or cat. Cat. So we have at the beginning, t, top, t, tub, or at the end, pot, cat. You guessed it, this is one of the sounds that can come at the beginning and the end, like in tot, like a tater tot, be at the beginning and the end. So let's read the two words that have t at the beginning and the two words that have t at the end. Here we go. Top, tub, pot, cat. Good job. So remember those sounds. M says S says S, and T says T. And remember, those sounds can come at the beginning of words and the ending of words. So when you're stretching out the sounds of the words, pay attention to what letter comes at the beginning. That's your beginning sound. And then the letter that is last is your ending sound.